this is Dafan. Welcome to DafanZ Tracktime, where we provide safe and fun place for you to drive your car like it's meant to be driven. You don't need any prior experience to drive on the track. All you need is a love for cars and love for driving, like I do. Bring your car to the track and we'll get you up to speed and you'll have a great day. There's no better way to spend a weekend day driving around on the track. Today we got a treat for you. We are going to, for the first time, run the Pocono East Course backward. We call it the West Course. Basically, the West Course is East Course run in reverse in a clockwise direction. Even though it's the same course running backward, it does not feel like it. It feels like a drastically different course. On the West Course, the pavement is wide, have late entries and sweeping turns, and there's a special S's section where if you string it together just right, you can drive out of it with power, reaching almost, if not over 100 miles per hour on a back straight. And those S's reminds me of the VRR S's, which happen to be one of my favorite stretches of track anywhere in the country. So it's great to be able to experience a completely new, different track at the same location as the East Course. Let's go take a look. That is lap of the West Course. What do you think? It's a lot of fun. It feels so much different than a regular East Course. It's a completely different track. So what are you waiting for? It's your turn next. Come join us at DafanZ Tracktime.